You have foundation problems and have even had them confirmed with a foundation inspection. Now you're staring at this really big bill to cover the cost for foundation repairs. The biggest questions you're probably asking yourself right now is, will foundation repairs really work for your home, and how long do these repairs last? I'm Austin with Anchor Foundation Repair, and this is a question I've gotten a bunch of times over my couple of years here at Anchor, and understand the worry that can come with wanting to do foundation repairs and if the repairs will last for your home. So the best way to tell about how long the repairs will last is actually going to be examining the company's warranty and what type of warranty they offer. Some companies, it may be 5 years, 10 years, 20, maybe even a lifetime. And that's just kind of telling you what the company believes their product is going to be able to stand up to and last for X amount of years. Here at Anchor, ours is a lifetime warranty. Yes, it is first 5 years free, and then it is a service cost for an adjustment after that, but that is lifetime and sticks with the work forever. Now, keep in mind that everything does expire at some point. Nothing does truly last forever in this world, but whenever we're talking about steel and concrete, that stuff holds up for a very long time. So, like I said, best way to determine how long a foundation repair will last is going to be examining the company's warranty and what type of warranty they're offering. What should you do from here? You're probably still asking yourself a lot of questions and got a lot of things to mentally overcome before you finally decide if this is something you want to pursue. And that's why we're going to put a link down below in the description that takes you to an article on our website that is all about, will foundation repairs really work for your slab home?